Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about PM Modi inaugurates Kashi Tamil Sangamam 2.0 using AI translation. Instagram introduces Add Yours Templates feature. Activision Blizzard settles $50 million lawsuit over workplace discrimination. Apple plans AirPods 4 revamp in 2024 with 2 models and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. PM Narendra Modi inaugurates Kashi Tamil Sangamam 2.0 in Varanasi during his 2-day visit. Utilizes AI-based translation tool Bhashni for real-time Tamil translation during the speech. Bhashni, developed by Bhashni, an artificial intelligence AI for accessibility to Tamil-speaking audience. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman praises the innovative use of Bhashni. Bhashni enables speaking in native language while communicating with speakers of other Indian languages. Modi emphasizes the bond between Tamil Nadu and Kashi communities during his visit. Next we have Instagram launches Add Yours Templates, allowing users to pin GIFs, text and images to templates. An expansion of the Add Yours sticker enhancing creator expression on the platform. Templates feature extended to Instagram Reels for easy reel creation. Users can customize templates with GIFs, text or images from their gallery. The feature aims to enhance user engagement and creativity on the Meta-owned platform. Represents Instagram's commitment to introducing new features for an upgraded user experience. Activision Blizzard to pay around $50 million to settle a 2021 lawsuit by California's Civil Rights Department. Lawsuit alleges discrimination against women, including underpayment and denial of promotions. Settlement addresses allegations of discrimination against women between 12 October 2015 and 31 December 2020. Activision Blizzard commits to ensuring fair pay and promotion practices. Settlement subject to court approval. Activision maintains no wrongdoings by its board or CEO. Follows Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard for nearly $69 billion in October 2021. Nothing Phone 2a expected to be a budget model potentially rivaling OnePlus Nord and Xiaomi Redmi Note. Rumored features include a Glyph LED design, a MediaTek Dimensity chipset and a 120Hz OLED display. A departure from Nothing's premium brand stance, focusing on value and affordability. Expected to be unveiled at Mobile World Congress 2024, MWC 2024 in Barcelona. Signals Nothing's strategic shift to capture a broader market segment. Aims to compete with mid-range smartphones in the $400 range. Apple set to revamp AirPods 4 in 2024, addressing the less successful third generation AirPods. 2 new models planned, one with active noise cancellation and one without. Features updated design, USB-C charging and a redesigned case for both models. Apple aims to enhance competitiveness in the audio wearables market. Higher end model to include active noise cancellation, offering a more premium option, reflects Apple's commitment to regular product updates and improvements. Next up we have upcoming Digital Personal Data Protection DPDP Act proposes Aadhaar-based consent system for children's online activities. Aims to verify children's ages and seek parental consent for online services. Act includes a two-stage verification process for children's online engagement. Proposes a DigiLocker app and an electronic token system for age verification. Aims to enhance user rights regarding data use and make entities more accountable for data processing. Part of India's efforts to strengthen data privacy and user protection. At last, Chinese agencies and state-backed firms discourage employees from bringing Apple iPhones and foreign devices to work. Part of China's long-term strategy to reduce reliance on foreign technologies. Employees instructed to switch to local brands for work-related devices. Multiple state firms and government departments across provinces issued directive in the past month. Reflects China's ongoing efforts to promote domestic technology and reduce dependence on foreign brands. Apple yet to respond to the growing trend of discouraging its devices in Chinese workplace. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।